2, 1. Mick, reactions first up?
Very happy for the boys. They worked really, really hard today. We got away to a good start. We put a score on the board. We gave away an intercept, and then we put another score on the board. So they just kept trying, and then they hung in there in the middle of the game when it got tough. They just kept getting up, and towards the end of the game there, we had a few boys going down with cramp, but they just kept working away, and their opportunity came with a great little try down the sideline there, and Messu got the ball, just put it inside, and Bossy had just got up from cramp. He ran the length of the field. It was just great to do it in front of the team too. When he ran past the boys there, the spirit was there. Look, we're just happy with the effort we had today. The score is it's a pre-season game, but it's just great the effort was there, and the boys are going to be happy with the performance at the end of the day.
First time, I guess, an external team. Did it kind of go? Do you see what you needed to see in this trial game?
Yeah, I think we know where we need to work on, and we let ourselves into the game early on, and then when we got going, there was a couple of things we probably just the habits, taking a short side on our own, just running down the short side, one out, and got turned over. Little things like that. The boys have got enthusiasm to play the game, and we're just trying to help them understand that we know how we want to play, and just under the pressure of their game, being able to find what we're trying to do. And we got there, and we hung in there, and as the result finished, we were good across the field.
You're happy with the way they kept going right till the 80th minute and got there?
You have to be happy with the way they went, and to finish that game off like that. We've worked really, really hard. Well, they've worked really, really hard at their fitness, and for them to be able to finish that game off like that just is due reward for everything they've done.
This is the closest you'll be to the field throughout the season. Any heart attack moments or heart in your mouth moments?
No, I think if I'm letting that get the better of me at this stage, then I sort of would have done that years ago. But today is just letting the boys just for me to let the boys go and find their own way through. But just keep monitoring performance. The scoreboard will take care of itself if you look after your performance. So yeah, it was tight there at the finish, but you just keep working on performance, and we'll front up tomorrow. We'll have a look at the game, and there's things we've got to get better at. We know that, and the boys are really up for it. So yeah, we're looking forward to a good week.